Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout by YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Trustpilot review bar using templates from the Checkout Ninja app. So watch this video completely without skipping, and please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So like I said, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app for this customization, and I'm downloaded this from the Shopify app store. You can either just download this directly from the Shopify App Store. Otherwise, here will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. After installing the app, you can just go to the admin panel and click on templates. Now you can just click on view all templates and you can just search for the Trustpilot review bar. Now you can see that this section can use templates. You need not to add much more things here because the details will be filled by default. So the block name has been done for you as the Trustpilot review itself, and you can change it from your side also if you want. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this button and add the condition over here. There are multiple conditions showing up in this list, so you can just go through this and add the desired one. Then what happens is like these block will be available only when this given condition is met. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available at the checkout page always. And click on Trustpilot, and you can just give any title, and it's not a mandatory one. You can just keep it empty also, and you can just give the maximum reviews as 5 or something. An overall rating, it's an image URL of the the rating one, and title of this main title, and the rating and the review description and name of the reviewer and the date also. You can just given as 6 hours ago or a date month year format also, it's accepted. And you can just add the second review details like this, and the same process on the third. And if you have much more to add, then you can just click on add new item and add the same thing over here, like the new review details of this title, start, review, name, date, etc. So layout spacing also, it controls the spacing between the header and the review card. So you can just keep it base or tight or loose. I'm going with the loose one. And let's done this. So the setup is done, and make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. So after saving it, let's see, yeah, you can see that the block ID has been created here. You can just keep it, copy this and click on open checkout editor page. Now you have to add the custom block to the checkout like this, and add or paste the uh, block ID which you have copied earlier to this field. You can see that the custom block has been created here. Now this is not the right place to have this block. Then let's move this to the order summary area so that we can place this over the like this. So yeah, we can keep the block like this and go for saving it. Now let's test this up in our online store whether it's comes or not. In the checkout, let's land on checkout page. Now you can see that the carousel or review Trustpilot review bar has been created here successfully. So that's how you can create a Trustpilot review bar using the template in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.